A preliminary hearing in an Alger County murder case began today, and ABC 10's Trent Bailey was in court to get the story. Trent?
The preliminary hearing in the case against Jason Sadowski began this morning in Alger County District Court. Sadowski was arrested on the charge of homicide open murder on June 7th, following the investigation of a suspicious death that took place on May 30th in a home on Munising Avenue. That death was revealed to be 58-year-old Timothy Mosetter, who was Sadowski's roommate. Alger County prosecuting attorney Robert Steinhoff called 8 witnesses to the stand throughout the several hours in court today, including the police officers who began the investigation, various people that had interacted with Sadowski on the 30th of May, a digital forensics analyst, as well as the neighbor who had discovered Mosetter's body. Even though the autopsy report had not been completed at the time of the trial, it was revealed in court this morning that the initial investigation found that Mosetter had suffered from severe damage to his head and face. Sadowski was first questioned at the White Pine Lodge in Christmas the night the body was discovered, where he had a cut on his face and one cut on his hand that also had some swelling. Witnesses that interacted with Sadowski earlier in that day said those injuries were not there, but Sadowski told investigating officers that he had sustained those injuries the previous day. He also told the officers that after being dropped off at the residence where he and Mosetter lived, he did not enter the house, but instead walked down to the Falling Rock Cafe and then to Family Dollar, where there was surveillance video showing him enter the store. He then proceeded to go to a different residence to meet someone there before heading to the White Pine Lodge. After hearing from all the witnesses, the court adjourned for the time being until the autopsy report is available, and a continuation of the preliminary hearing has not been scheduled at this point. Once the hearing is complete, the judge will make a ruling on whether or not the case can proceed to trial. ABC 10 will continue to follow this story as it progresses. Trent Bailey reporting from Munising for ABC 10 and the CW5.